Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing how I clean my oven. If you like to see that, keep on watching. I have my gloves, my baking soda, so I can scrap it real good, and I'll be using this one as well, and I'll use dish soap. I already have this video on my channel, so I have some friends that don't speak Somali, so this is for my non-speaking Somali friends, and I hope you enjoy it. So I put baking soda all over the oven and leave it for an hour, or you can do it overnight or 2 hours, 30 minutes, however you have time. I just have an hour and start cleaning it. No matter what I do, I cannot keep my gloves on. Are you guys the same way? If you are, leave a comment for me. See here, this area needs more attention, so I'm gonna use a butter knife to scrub it and then put more baking soda on it so I can clean the other areas. If you guys like this kind of video, give this one a thumbs up so I can make more like this one. Look at that, nice and clean. So guys, thank you for being here. I appreciate you, and if you're new, consider becoming part of this family. Bye guys.